been wanting to experiment with a pan pipe, an exhaust tip that would have 4 different length outlets, just out of curiosity to see if we get a different tone out of each one, or if they just all blend together like they would if it was just a single pipe. I made this up this morning, and the 4 pipes are about 3 inches apart, 2, 5, 8, and 11, and go into a collector, which goes up into the exhaust pipe. Right now I've got a muffler on here. It's a glass pack that I made, and we'll crank it up and you can hear that. Then I'm going to take the muffler off and we'll run it with the straight pipe, and then I'll start another video. There's going to be 4 videos probably. Make one with this on it. So let's crank it up and see what it sounds like with the muffler on it. Okay, we'll stop it there, and then we're going to have another video. I'll have 2nd one and 3rd one and possibly a 4th one.